Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here in Olympia Coffex, and this machine was brought in because water and steam were emitting from the portafilter when you tried to pull a shot, and so to rectify that we do a tune-up, replacing basically the gasket seal in here, the brew screen, deep cleaning, back flushing, and also we replace the gaskets in here for good measure while we're at it. Okay, so now we're going to pull shot. Looking good. And there's no leaks around the portafilter, no steam. Gasket has a good seal. Boom. Alright. Get the steam out of here. Good steam. Alright, there you have it. Olympia working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.